Welcome to my YouTube channel, The World of Literature. This is the 13th video in the series of film studies and literature. In this series, I'll talk about today adaptations of Russian literature in Hindi. So, I have selected the topic adaptation of Russian literature. This is with special reference to the Russian novelist Fyodor Dostoevsky. Fyodor Dostoevsky is a Russian novelist whose works have been adapted into a number of Hindi. His novels and stories have been adapted in different languages all over the world, including Swedish language, American, Australian, Iranian, Indian, etc. One of the most significant work of Fyodor Dostoevsky is Crime and Punishment. This famous novel has been adopted in Indian languages like Hindi, Telugu, and Kannada. In 1958, an adaptation of this novel, Crime and Punishment, was made by the name Fir Subah Hongi. This film was directed by Ramesh Sehgal. In 1974, an adaptation of Crime and Punishment was again made by the name Jurm or Saza, directed by Nisar Ahmed Ansari. It has the same translation version of Crime and Punishment, Jurm or Saza. The novel Crime and Punishment is based on a story of Raskolnikov, a poor student who believes himself to be extraordinary and hence has a right to commit any crime. He then kills a pawnbroker for cash. Pawnbroker is a money lender. He almost gets away with the murder, but he cannot escape his guilt. In 1958, Ramesh Sehgal adapted the same story in a film, Subah Hongi, starring Raj Kapoor and Mala Sinha. It tells the story of Ram, a law student who kills a pawnbroker. The police digs up and Ram confesses to the crime. There are many twists and turns in the film, but ultimately Ram was punished. In another film that was made in 1974, Jurm or Saza or Crime or Punishment was made. It was directed by Nisar Ahmed Ansari, starring Vinod Mehra and Nanda. The film tells the story of Vinod Mehra, named as Kamal, a young man who murders an old money lender. As the police investigate the crime, Kamal's mental state deteriorates, leading to tragic confrontation with the truth. As the police investigate the crime, Kamal's mental state deteriorates, leading to tragic confrontation of the crime. Jurm or Saza is a gripping crime drama that explores the complexity of human nature and the consequence of one's action. The film delves into psychological effects of crime and the impact of poverty on human behavior, because it is due to poverty only that this crime was committed. The film adaptation of this classic novel was well received, making it notable work in Indian cinema. Dostoevsky's short story, White Nights, has also been adapted into films. White Nights is a story of a nameless person living in St. Petersburg who suffers from loneliness. Over a period of 4 nights, he meets a girl and falls in love with this girl whose name was Nastenka. Nastenka tells him the story of her lover because she was already in love with somebody who is now missing and she is in search of him. She is finally reunited with him in the end, and the person who felt love for her is again left alone. In 1960, Manmohan Desai, director of the film Chhalia, he made Chhalia starring Raj Kapoor and Nutan, which was an adaptation of White Nights. In 2006, Shivam Nair directed Aista Aista, which is another adaptation of White Knights. The film stars Abhay Devo and Soha Ali Khan. So that means repeatedly the Fyodor Dostoevsky's novel and short stories has been adapted into films. In 2007, Sanjay Leela Bansali made Sawariya based on White Knights. The film marked the debut of Ranbir Kapoor and Sonam Kapoor. Dostoevsky's stories explore complex themes like psychological insight. The stories probe the human psyche, the inner workings of human mind and emotions. Number two, guilt and conscience. His characters who committed the crime struggle with guilt and the working of their inner conscience. Three is morality and ethics. His works often grapple with moral dilemmas, challenging the readers to confirm their own values. Dostoevsky's work, based on philosophical and psychological themes, effectively inspires many directors to adapt the work into films. One such director is Anurag Kashyap. He is quite famous and he claims that he is being inspired by Dostoevsky's work. His film Shaitan 2011 is based on his novel Crime and Punishment. So, so friends, thank you for listening. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you want me to explore more such themes, please do let please do comment in the comment box, and I will see that I will make